Yo, man, what's going on with Nike and the sneakers app with these exclusive accesses, man? We kind of called it, we'll see some form of a weird restock. And again, bro, they did an exclusive access for the Air Jordan 4 navy blue SBs. The same thing they did with the Air Jordan 1 unit LAs. They did with these joints right here. Now the tell of the tape is what's going to happen for these rumored brick by bricks and the Air Jordan 5 Black Metallics. We gotta talk about in today's video, man. What's going on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping into another one from your boy, The Ventures, man. We back with the white tee, you know what I'm saying? You can't go wrong with a crispy white tee, bro. We back in 07, 08 era where the white tees was popping. If you guys are new here to the channel, right now we need everybody to do, man, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boy. Make sure you guys run them likes up for your boy, The Vintage, man. Every single like counts, and it shows YouTube you guys are enjoying the content. So wait a second. If y'all hit that like button, man. All right, man. So like I said, bro, in the intro, we got that Air Jordan 4 navy blue SB restock. It happened, and it seemed like a lot of people got exclusive access. So I don't know what happened. What happened to the decline in these SBs? Like, I ain't gonna lie, bro. I really thought this was gonna be a shoe that, you know, people was comparing to be, you know, up there in terms of sneaker of the year. You know, like shoes that everybody, you know, is sought after, everybody anticipated. But it does not seem like that's the case for the navy blue pair, which is kind of weird because, you know, looking back at the Midnight Navy Air Jordan 4s we got a couple years back, people went crazy over them, and he threw an SB on the back. You know, I thought that people would, you know, gravitate towards them a little bit more, but it is what it is. You know, people buy what they like, you're gonna cop what you like. It's a fire pair of Air Jordan 4s, and we got that restock today on the Nike Sneakers app. So that just, you know, puts aside another one of those shoes that we all heard being on a restock for this week. We got the Air Jordan 4 Rare Airs, we got the Air Jordan 11 Low Breads, we got a couple other sneakers on the restock on Nike app, and then transition to the Sneakers app with these Air Jordan 4 navy blue SBs. And the two sneakers that everybody really talking about is, of course, the metallics and the brick by bricks. Now again, man, these rumors of the restock, you know, we be putting two and two together, and, you know, I guess it's better to be safe than sorry, if that makes sense. So if anything, if I hear anything, of course I'm gonna come on YouTube and help you guys out, put you up on game on what is going on. And I didn't even know about the exclusive access. I don't even know if I got exclusive access because I didn't know what time was going to happen. But we all know, bro, Nike always doing something around 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time through 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's always within those windows. This is like 2:23 Eastern Standard Time. Like they dropped it was a shocker they did a while back. They did it like 2:23, you know, Jordan 23, you know. Yeah, I know what I'm talking about. But everybody's talking about the brick by bricks and the metallic Air Jordan 5s. Everybody wants these two, and it almost seems it does seem far-fetched. Trust me, it does seem far-fetched, the rumors we are hearing for the brick by bricks. But like I said, I would be rather safe than sorry. And you know, you kind of put this shoe on a higher pedestal because of the resale value, but I just think back like at dope sneakers like the navy blue SBs, the Air Jordan 1 unit LAs, sneakers like that we have seen restocks on. And the reason why people are not excited for them because the resale value. But if the resale value wasn't high on these, then I'll be like, oh yeah, these is definitely going to drop on a restock of some sort. So I just always say, bro, don't knock it until it don't happen, because these rumors, 9 times out of 10, they do amount to something. And if it doesn't happen now, you know, it could potentially happen later because Nike be pulling the plug on certain sneakers, pushing certain sneakers back, canceling restocks, canceling shock drops. It happens all the time, but the rumors are still very much live for the brick by bricks, and of course the Air Jordan 5 Black Metallic, which, you know, to be you know, a little bit, you know, surprised when I see more people talking about these Black Metallics than the brick by bricks on my last video talking about the restock that initially kind of all sparked everything off. I said, yo, people really want these Black Metallic guys, which, you know, I think after this year, bro, if you ain't got them by now, you're gonna be waiting another 6-7 years to try to cop a pair of these. But I doubt we see a metallic reimagined Air Jordan 5 for a very long time. Like, I'm talking, I might be in my 50s by the time we see something like this again. So I see why the hype and the demand is really there in terms of people wanting to get these metallic guys. And the same goes for the brick by bricks. I don't see them doing, you know, a lot of restocks or a lot of different, you know, retros of the Air Jordan 4 brick by bricks, because they can do a lot with Nigel Sylvester and Air Jordan 4s. They can literally milk this joint all the way down, making a blue pair, making a white pair, making a cream color pair, making a mauve color pair. They can do a lot, and I don't see them, you know, recycling the, you know, brick by brick colorway for the Nike Air Jordan 4 you know, Nigel joint. I just don't see it happening. So we could see other colorways getting pushed out to the sneaker community. Who knows? But I do know that they execute these to perfection, bro. And again, I was the one that was quick. I told y'all, bro, go get them. They dropped for like a slight bit. I got my pair for like $380. Bro, now these joints are going for like 500 plus in my size. Like, you cannot make this up, bro. So got super lucky with these joints right here. So again, man, stay on the lookout. Tomorrow we still have, you know, a whole day of Friday and Saturday. I don't even know what's dropping Saturday. I'm gonna check real quick just to be sure. But you know, over the next couple days, we could see something over the brick by bricks. But again, people are banking on the metallic guys. I keep saying metallics a little bit more. And I think that's all based on, you know, the limitness of the brick by bricks. But we all know, bro, Nike is they never sell that stuff. They be having stuff for days. So I wouldn't put it past Nike at all, man. So let me check the Nike sneakers app real quick just to see what is dropping over on Saturday, because I'm super interested. I'm pretty sure there's something coming out, right? Yes. So, oh, actually, no. Only thing dropping is these women's, you know, worn blue, denim blue Air Jordan 4s. Nobody feeling them. And the next major drop we do have is the French blue Air Jordan 12. So we could see something tomorrow for sure, and on Saturday. I would not put it past nobody. So please, man, watch out, bro. Keep your eyes open, keep your eyes peeled. And you know, I hope we do see the brick by bricks again. I hope we do see the black metallics, because I'm being selfish right now. I want to double up with both of these, bro. I already been wearing these. I only wore these one time, but I know, bro, I'm gonna get some wears out of these joints like I did with my 2016 pair. So Nike, please, bro, drop this restock on both of these joints for your boy the Vintage, and hopefully I get a W. So yeah, man, keep your eyes peeled, keep your eyes open, keep your phone ready, and just be on your phone between 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time and 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, because you never, or I say 10 a.m. 10 a.m. and 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, because you just never know what they're gonna do. And I didn't even know about the restock until I got on Instagram at like 1:30 something. You know what I'm saying? Your boy was working. Your boy was in the work riding it, so I wasn't really on my phone. So, you know, I missed out on it, and I don't know if I got exclusive access or not. But if you guys did hit, let me know in the comment section below. Super interested in knowing, man. But that pretty much wraps up today's video. If you guys are new here to the channel, please subscribe. Hit the notification bell for your boy. Make sure you run them likes up for your boy the Vintage. We got some early bangers coming for y'all tomorrow. So make sure you are ready and you hear the notification bell on so you are notified, man. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. And always being said, your boy the Vintage. I'm gonna catch you guys in next video, man. Peace.